Shopify Navigation tutorial. Now first things first, let's talk about what is Shopify. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create and manage online stores. It provides tools and services needed to sell products online, including website building, payment processing, inventory management, and marketing features. Essentially, Shopify is an software as a service business or SaaS that simplifies the process of setting up and running an online business. And so, they have features like website builder. Shopify can provide a drag and drop interface to create professional looking online stores. They have payment processing. It integrates with various payment gateways, allowing you to accept payments online. They have inventory management. Shopify helps track your inventory and provides alerts when stocks levels are low. They also have marketing tools. They offer tools for SEO, social media, and content marketing, as well as email marketing integrations. They have point of sales, apps and extensions, customer support, and more. And so, who should use Shopify? Shopify is being used by entrepreneurs, retailers, and global brands. Shopify is a great platform for aspiring entrepreneurs to start and grow their business. First things first, let's head over to their main website. It will simply go ahead and look something like this. The first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and click on the Start Free Trial button. Now, starting a free trial doesn't require a credit card, so you can try this hassle-free. So to proceed, click on the Start Free Trial button. Inside, we then have multiple ways for us to sign up using our accounts, and that could be your email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. In my case, I'm going to be using Facebook right here. Wait for the page to load in, and you simply want to click on the Continue as your profile right here. Now take note that it will basically look the same for Google accounts. You just have to click on the Continue button as your Google account, and from there it will then redirect us back to our Shopify account right here. The next thing that you need to do is to answer your email. You could be using Hotmail, email, Gmail, or any email out there, so you can just fill this out. Right after entering your email, it will then ask us multiple questions like your online store, in person at a retail store, in person at events, and more. Now we want to create an online store, so you want to select the first option right here. And you can just answer the following questions depending on your situation. Now, if you're currently selling on one of these platforms, you can just select one of the platforms right here. So you can just answer those questions, and right after it will then take you to this option where you can then select your plan. Now you can actually skip this by clicking on the Skip I'll Decide Later button. And from there, it will then build our website right away. So you simply have to wait for a couple of minutes in order for Shopify to finish building our store. Right after, it will then take us to this page, and this is simply our store dashboard or the Shopify dashboard. And here, the first thing that you want to do is to click on the options right here, which is to import your products, import your customers, import your orders, and more. If you navigate through the side category, you can then see multiple options like your orders, products, customer, content, analytics, marketing, and discounts. So if you click on orders, you will be able to see all of your orders right here for your Shopify store. We then have your drafts and abandoned checkouts. You will be able to see people who abandon their cart on the Shopify. It's basically one of their features. You also have your products. So if you want to import your products from other websites, you can just click on the import button. But if you want to import them manually, you can just click on the add product button. And from here, you will be able to add your title, description, media like photos, categories, pricing, and more. Inside the product category, you then have the collections of your store. So for example, if you have a summer collection for your clothing brand, you can put it right here. If you have a gaming collection, you can just do so. You have your inventory for all of your products. You have your purchase orders. You have transfers and gift cards. Moving over to the next option, which is going to be our customers. In here, you can simply import your customers, or you can just click on the Add Customer button. You will be able to add them manually based on their first name, last name, email, phone number, and more. So if you have a repeating customer, it's important to simply take note of their name, email, and number to offer them promotions and discounts. You then have your segments. So with this one, let's just say that you have customers who purchase at least once. If you click on this button, you will be able to simply categorize all of those customers. You then have your email subscribers and more. Now this is the template for Shopify. As you can see, we have a code right here, and it will then import all of the customers from our store through the segments category. You then have your content, files, menus, blog posts. Now the most important one is going to be analytics. You will go ahead and see your gross sales, retaining customer rate, orders fulfilled, orders, total sales over time, and more. In here, you then have your reports, your live view, and that's it. You will simply spend most of your time inside this page, but before that, we are then going to build our website. So let's proceed by clicking on the online store button. This is simply your online browsing page. Our page will go ahead and look something like this as a default. So if you want to change it, you can simply click on the customize button. Now inside this page, we have full control over our website. If you scroll down, you can then see your template. You then have your headers. If you want to add some headers like block, you can add sections and more. Now below that, you then have your template. So you have your image banner. You can customize this by clicking on hide, duplicate, move to next position, and remove. You also have additional properties right here like your content, mobile layout, image 1, image 2, and more. And just below that, you then have your footer. Let's try adding a section by clicking on the add section button. Click on the email sign up. And from here, we will be able to add an email sign up by just clicking a single button. In here, you then have your padding, you have your bottom, and you have your theme settings. Now, if you want to view your website through different types of devices, you simply want to click on the button right here. For mobile, it's going to be Control I. And for full screen, it's going to be Control L. And so that's how you can simply edit your website here on Shopify. But of course, you can make it easier by choosing one of their themes. So if you're selling something like fashion, you simply want to click on one of the free templates right here. Let's click on this one. It will then import or install the theme through our website, making it easier for us to customize the web page the way we want to. And simply right after downloading or installing the theme, it will then transform our website in through the presets right here. Moving forward, one of the best features here on Shopify is their apps integration. You can simply install multiple apps by clicking on the Add Apps button. In here, you have multiple tools in order for you to help your online store. Now, as an example, if you're into drop shipping, you can just search drop shipping right here. And right after, you will be able to choose one of the dropshipping services that you prefer. By doing this, you will simply be able to import products from websites through your Shopify store. Once again, there's a lot of applications right here that you can go ahead and use, like Facebook and Instagram, Google and YouTube, Pagefly, and more. And so, that's basically everything you need to know about Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.